everyone. Today we are going to see the random process. So what is mean by random process is nothing but collection of random variable is called random process. Okay, already we know the random variable. Random variable is nothing but a function of possible outcomes of an experiment is called random variable. So random process a function of the possible outcomes of an experiment and also time, that is x of s comma t. Next, random process definition and examples. Random process, a random process is a collection of random variable, that means sequence x of s comma t that are functions of a real variable, namely time t, where s belongs to s. S is nothing but sample space and t belongs to capital T. T is nothing but one of the parameter set or indexed set. Next, classification of random process. Classification of random process is nothing but we are having four type of classifications. First one is continuous random process, second one continuous random sequence, third one discrete random process, fourth one discrete random sequence. What is mean by continuous random process? Continuous random process means if both x and t are continuous, the random process is called as continuous random process. One of the example, if x of t represents the maximum temperature at a place in the interval 0, t, sequence x of t is a continuous random process. Second one, continuous random sequence. If x is continuous and t is discrete, the random process is called as continuous random sequence. Third one, discrete random process. If x is discrete and t is discontinuous, the random process is called as discrete random process. And another one is discrete random sequence. If both x and t are discrete means the random process is called as discrete random process. Okay, so one of the example, t is nothing but 1, 2, etc. and s equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In our set, sequence x and colon n greater than or equal to 1. This is one of the example. Another one, statistical averages formula, mean expectation of x of t equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x comma t dx. Another one, autocorrelation of x of t, cxx of t1 comma t2 equal to rxx of t1 comma t2 minus expectation of x of t1 expectation of x of t2. Covariance means you have to use the symbol rho xx of t1 comma t2 equal to cxx of t1 comma t2 divided by root of cxx of t1 comma t1 cxx of t2 comma t2. So already we know that rho, the same concept means that value equal to 1, that means rho xx of t comma t equal to 1. Next, cross correlation. Cross correlation means you have to use the variable x and y, or xy of t1 comma t2 equal to expectation of x of t1 y of t2. Stationary process. Next, definition, stationary process, expectation of x of t equal to constant and variance of x of t equal to constant. Constant means that process is called a stationary process. Now we are going to see one of the example. Consider the random process x of t equal to cos of t plus pi, where pi is the random variable with the density function f of pi equal to 1 by pi, limit value minus pi by 2 less than pi by 2. Check whether the process is stationary or not. Okay, already we know the definition for your stationary process. What is mean by stationary process? Expectation of x of t equal to constant and variance of x of t equal to constant. Okay, constant means that process is called stationary process. What is given in this problem? X of t equal to cos of t plus pi, f of pi equal to 1 by pi, limit value minus pi by 2 less than pi by 2. Next, expectation of x of t. We are going to check your expectation of x of t equal to constant and variance of x of t equal to constant. So expectation of x of t equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x of t f of pi d pi. Okay, integral x of t is nothing but cos of t plus pi and f of pi is nothing but 1 by pi d pi, limit value minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next, integral of cos. Okay, so 1 by pi, one of the constant, let us take outside, 1 by pi into integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of t plus pi d pi. What is the integration of cos? Integration of cos is nothing but sine. So 1 by pi into sine of t plus pi, limit value pi equal to minus pi by 2 and pi equal to pi by 2. Okay, next apply upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by pi sine of pi by 2 plus theta minus sine of t minus pi by 2. So we know the values for your sine of pi by 2 plus theta and pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So therefore 1 by pi into sine of pi by 2 plus t plus sine of pi by 2 minus t. Okay, so what is our value of sine of 90 plus theta? Cos theta. And sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Just add your values. 1 by pi into cos t plus cos t, 2 cos t, 2 cos t divided by 2. So this is not one of the constant. So that value 2 by pi cos t not equal to constant. Therefore x of t is not a triple S process. Okay, triple S process means expectation of x of t equal to constant and variance of x of t equal to constant. But in this problem we are having the value expectation of x of t not equal to constant. Okay, don't calculate your variance of x of t. Okay, two conditions verified means you have to find your result in your triple S process. But in this category expectation of x of t not equal to constant. Okay, therefore x of t is not a triple S process. Okay, thank you.